Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kayeng ka shari jung ka first class judicial magistrate ka DKK Mizil kalaay ka bill ya Arngut ki basya kno hapo ka Mukotduma yap Raja Raghuvanshi haka knaitrik unaitum. Kadkum ka jingtip nakitalong an utray flat lokendra tomar but ubalbir ahirbar ubaday unong pahara kilayo bill hadin balakot kapor jong kajingpengan ha judicial custody. Kani kajingekran hayeng kashiri kalalong lingba ka video conference. Loong ru ba unong syong benta balasya akinno akum unong penyap. Sonam ula syong haka flat jong utomar hadin ba ulami na sora. Katba na kalyang way pat ubriw ba siya akno o Silom James o wala pa pengat ha judicial custody na kalyang kayeng kasyari ha ka artrik unaitung ula sim menta da nongiasaid na indoor ban penyat ya kajing dawa bil jong u ha kajing ekran kababu.
So on the day of production on 9/7/2025, this two person, that is Lokendra Singh Tomar and Balla Ahirwar, they were granted bail by order dated 9/7/2025 under certain condition. Already it is there in the court record, and for Silom James, his production is fixed on 16th of this month. On that day they may move bail for Silom James. So if they move bail, then we'll object for his bail because his involvement is very much there as of now. As per the record, his involvement is very much there. So let them file a bail application, formal bail application before the Honorable Court. Then we'll go according to their petition and we'll give our objection for not to release Mr. Silom James at this juncture from this instant case.
So Tomar and security guard, are they not involved?
So far their involvement is very less because Lokendra Singh Tomar, he is only the owner of that flat, and this Balla, he is the security guard of that flat. So their involvement is so far now, their involvement we could not find. So if in the later course of investigation we find their involvement is there, then we will pray to the Honorable Court to reject their bail that is there.
The prosecution had argued for not giving
Yes,
bail.
we have argued for not to grant this accused on bail because since the case is serious in nature, then many things has to be come out, and moreover this case is under investigation till now. So our objection was there not to release these two person, that Lokendra Singh Tomar and Mr. Balvinder Singh Ahirwar, at this juncture on bail. But court, after hearing the parties, that is the LSC and as well as the state, we represented the state, court has granted them bail under certain condition. So in the later stage of investigation, if we found that their involvement is very much there, then accordingly we will file a petition before the Honorable Court for rejection of their bail.
So the accused were represented by lawyers or
Accused are represented by LSC,
the legal aid?
Legal Aid Council.
Okay, coming to Silom James, when is the next production?
His next production is on 16th of this month. So as of now, whether his production will be taken on VC or through physical attendance, that we have to see. As of now, we have got no information. So on the day, we'll see.
So Silom James has engaged an advocate.
Yes, Silom James, he engaged an advocate who came from Indore. So most probably he may file a formal bail petition on 16th, on the day of his production.
So what about others?
Others, their remand is not yet over. So we'll inform the press if required when they will be produced.